Hey there, Buy Smart fam! Welcome back to another episode where we help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Today, we're diving into the world of 3D printing with two contenders, the ELEGOO Neptune 3 Pro and the QIDI Q1 Pro. It's a battle of the bots, and only one can come out on top, or can they? Let's find out. First up, let's talk about the price. ELEGOO Neptune 3 Pro comes in at a wallet-friendly $249. On the other hand, the QIDI Q1 Pro is priced at a whopping $699. That's a $450 difference. With that kind of money, you could buy another ELEGOO and still have enough left over for a decent dinner. Reviewers have mentioned that the ELEGOO Neptune 3 Pro offers great value for its price, making it a budget-friendly option for beginners. Meanwhile, the QIDI Q1 Pro, although more expensive, is noted for its advanced features that justify the higher price for professional users. Next, let's talk about printing technology. The Neptune 3 Pro boasts a dual-gear direct extruder, which sounds fancy and actually is. It promises smoother filament feeding and fewer nozzle clogs. Meanwhile, the QIDI Q1 Pro flaunts a Core XY system with dual Z-axis motors, allowing it to zip around at lightning speed, up to 600 millimeters per second. That's faster than me running away from my responsibilities. Reviewers appreciate the ELEGOO Neptune 3 Pro for its reliability and fewer clogs, while the QIDI Q1 Pro is praised for its incredible speed and efficiency. Now, let's get smart, like really smart. The Neptune 3 Pro comes with auto mesh bed leveling and smart resume printing. It even auto-pauses if the filament runs out or breaks. It's like having a built-in babysitter for your 3D prints. On the flip side, QIDI Q1 Pro takes it up a notch with full auto calibration, filament smart detection, and an active heating chamber. This thing is basically the Einstein of 3D printers. Reviewers have highlighted the ELEGOO Neptune 3 Pro's user-friendly smart features, while the QIDI Q1 Pro is lauded for its advanced, almost futuristic capabilities. Let's talk user experience. ELEGOO Neptune 3 Pro is super easy to set up with pre-assembled components and a complete toolkit. It's perfect for beginners. Meanwhile, QIDI Q1 Pro promises to get you from unboxing to printing in just 10 minutes. Plus, it comes with a 1080p HD camera for real-time monitoring and time-lapse photography. It's like having a personal paparazzi for your prints. Reviewers love the ELEGOO Neptune 3 Pro for its simplicity and ease of use, while the QIDI Q1 Pro is praised for its quick setup and additional monitoring features. Finally, let's talk materials. ELEGOO Neptune 3 Pro is compatible with PLA, TPU, PETG, and ABS. Pretty solid lineup, but QIDI Q1 Pro? This bad boy can handle PLA, PETG, TPU, PVA, PET, ABS, ASA, MPA, PC, carbon fiber, and glass fiber. It's like the Swiss Army knife of 3D printers. Reviewers have noted that while the ELEGOO Neptune 3 Pro covers the basics well, the QIDI Q1 Pro offers unmatched versatility for various projects. Reviewers have generally praised both the ELEGOO Neptune 3 Pro and the QIDI Q1 Pro. The ELEGOO Neptune 3 Pro is lauded for its ease of use, reliability, and value for money, making it an excellent choice for beginners and hobbyists. On the other hand, the QIDI Q1 Pro is recognized for its advanced features, speed, and versatility, making it ideal for more experienced users and professionals. So there you have it, folks. ELEGOO Neptune 3 Pro is a budget-friendly, easy-to-use option with reliable features. QIDI Q1 Pro is a high-speed, high-tech powerhouse that's perfect for those who want all the bells and whistles. Which one will you choose? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell for more Buy Smart comparisons. Until next time, keep printing and stay smart. Product links are in the description.